Asian Council of Science Editors Membership No. 20.8407 Date, March 17, 2021 Certificate of Membership. Be it known that Dr. Ahmed Salama has been accepted as a member in the Asian Council of Science Editors and is entitled to all benefits and privileges pertaining thereto. This membership certificate is valid till December 31, 2021. A. Mohammed Sawar, Secretary.
UNESCO Chair, Intangible Heritage, His Excellency the Minister of Higher Education, Egypt. Dear Professor, it is my honor to write you, as I did to my late father, J. Tiago de Oliveira, who exerted homologous functions. State Secretary of Science, First Constitutional Government, Portugal 1977-78. I write you on behalf of Ahmed Salama, Professor, today at Port Said. After being in Port Said, at the time we started corresponding, our first subject has been Cyprus-Malawi University diplomas and international graduations, where he preceded my participation. Then we met again online, at Marlinskaya Academy in Moscow. Today our joint work has the following trends. My small video lectures in Salama's Congresses for Health Formation, project of scientific journal, focused in arts and sciences applications, in arts and sciences, of Nutrosophy, a research trend where Salama is second only to Florentin Smartinche. Debates of Centre International de Recherches et Études Transdisciplinaires. Next 23 and the 28th of June. Reasons why it is both my pleasure and my duty to strongly recommend Salama's work and project, in order to maintain Egypt leadership in teaching, research and culture. Kindly accept our academic salutations. J.C. Tiago de Oliveira, Center Philosophy of Sciences, UNESCO Chair, Intangible Heritage, Évora University, Center of Philosophy of Sciences, UNESCO Chair, Intangible Heritage, Carlos Tiago de Oliveira.
You can see the web page if you this is the web page of Professor Salama. Here we can see all the works, everything. So these are the works related to nutrosophic set theory in the web page of Florentin. Then the journal he has, that also we can visualize. So anybody interested in this topic, it is a well good topic. You can just work in it. This is the journal web page. So this is a Scopus Index journal, and it is also cited in Web of Science. Okay, thank you so much for patient listening. Now we'll just have the introduction about Professor Salama by Ms. Kartika.
Good afternoon to all. I welcome you all to Day 3 International FDP. It's my great pleasure to introduce Professor A. Salama, Dean, Higher Institute of Business and Computer Science, Arish, Egypt. He has completed his PhD in Tanta University, Egypt. He received his doctorate degree in science in mathematics and computer science from CBI, International Center for Academic Research, Texas. He is a founder of Nutrosophic Topological Space and also Nutrosophic Crisp Theory in mathematics, computer science, and many applications. He is founding member of the first referred scientific journal in America and also Nutrosophic Sets and Systems. He has published 135 research articles in both national and international, and he receives many awards for excellence in research and academic. Today we have a very good eminent person for this international FDP. I welcome you all once again, and also Professor Salama. Thank you.
Fine. Next thing, when a die is thrown on a sand, then it may show either 6 or 5. We cannot come to a conclusion with that. Fine. Now this is what the idea of nutrosophy about. Next, Professor Salama will be just telling you more about nutrosophic sets. Now I'll just come to what are the applications it is having for a nutrosophic set. It is applied in many different subjects like psychology, sociology, civil engineering, information technology, and also in linguistics. Similarly, it is also applied in mathematics too, in various branches of mathematics like probability, calculus, algebra, topology, graph theory, decision making, and many more. I have been given you glimpse about the application of nucleoscopic sets. Yeah, this is what I'm just taking only 5 minutes time. Only last one is, you can just go to the website of Professor Salama. This is the home page. I'll just post it in the chat box too. You can just go visit his web page, and also journal link also given. You can see this now. Click on the web page. At a web page, click on.